Quick shout out to Donna Ugal because she created KWL charts. She is a hero, but you're probably wondering, what is a KWL chart and why is it important? KWL charts help us do a couple things. It helps students like you use their brains and think, which is kind of important. It's also a great way to organize information from a book or topic. This video is part of a bigger series called Foundations of Reading Comprehension. The whole goal is to help you become an active participant in the reading process. That means you're not just sitting back and relaxing, but focused and learning. Now let's answer, what are KWL charts? First, ask yourself, what is a topic of your book or article, and write that at the top. The K stands for know. Ask yourself this, what do you already know about the topic or book? Write everything down here, and this is done before you read. The W stands for wonder. So ask yourself this question. What questions do I have about the book or topic? What do I want to learn? Write down your thoughts and questions here. Fill in the wonder section before and while you read. Sometimes as we read, we think of great questions. The L stands for learn. So ask yourself this question. What did I learn about the topic? This is where you answer all the questions you had from the wonder section. Do this after you read the book and write everything down here. You can complete a KWL chart by yourself or with a group. I have a free template you can use down below in the video description. Also, if you found this video helpful so far, smash the like button so this video can spread and help more people. Over the next 10 weeks, I'll be teaching a new reading skill every single week, so I invite you to join the challenge. We will complete 2 examples. One is from a basic picture book called The Digger and the Duckling, and the other is from a news article on great white sharks. It is important to know that you can complete a KWL chart for any type of reading at any level. At the end of the video, I will give you a challenge to practice a skill on your own. Let's complete a KWL chart for The Digger and the Duckling. Let's ask ourselves, what do we already know? I'm going to look at the front and back cover and the first pages of the book to get some ideas. I know ducks like to live in the water and aren't usually found at construction sites. I know people use machines like this to build things. You want to write down anything you know about the topic. If we were to keep going, you'd want to write more ideas here. Next, let's think of questions about the topic. I'm wondering, why is a duck at a construction site? Is it friends with the trucks? Will it help them build? Is it safe for the duck to be there? Any questions you're wondering before and while you read, write them here. Now you want to read the book. I have an amazing read aloud for the book, The Digger and the Duckling, right here. So if you want to listen to the book, you can, but since I've already read it, I'm going to add my thoughts here. The duck was on the construction site because it was looking for its mother. Eventually, the duckling and the trucks became family. The duckling was able to help them build, and the trucks protected the duckling. Now, let's practice with a more challenging news article. First off, we know the topic of this article is great white sharks. Next, think about what you already know about great white sharks. I know that they're dangerous, have lots of teeth, like cold water, and have been known to attack humans. I want you to think about more things you already know about great white sharks. Now, what questions do we have? The biggest question I have is, are they endangered? If so, why? What has caused it, and how can we stop it? If there are too many sharks, why? And what problems does that create? Now, here is the challenge. I want you to read the rest of the article and try to answer these questions. I have the link of the article down below in the video description, so I want you to read it and complete the Learn section. The awesome thing about this article is you can read it at your level. Once you are done, find another book or article and complete another KWL chart. The more you practice, the better you'll get. I also have a worksheet in the video description to help you with the process. You can either print it out and write on it, or make a copy and just type on the document. I want you to take a picture of yourself completing this challenge and post it on social media. Make sure to tag me, Mr. Messenger, and use this hashtag. Remember that the whole goal is to get you to think about the book before, during, and after you read. Make sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.